Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to today's segment in African fashion show where we showcase a lot of trendy beautiful hairstyles that you can rock and it looks amazingly beautiful. So all you need to do, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. To my new subscribers, thank you for coming on board. I love you guys. To my old ones, thank you for trusting in me. I love you guys. I love you. Keep watching, watch to the end, watch from the beginning to the end, because we have amazing photos from the beginning to the end of this video. See you next in my next video. We are not here to pirate your works, not to steal your work, so we give kudos to the original owners of these photos. I love you guys.